students, welcome back to my lectures of class 10th physics. In the previous few videos we have seen about the image formation and rules of the convex lens and concave lenses. Now here we have another topic that is called as the lens formula. We have also studied the same type of formula in case of mirrors, that is called as the mirror formula. Now you will find the similarity between lens and mirror formula. So what is the lens formula? A lens formula is simply 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is equals to 1 by S. The mirror formula which you have seen, that was 1 by V plus 1 by U is equals to 1 by S. So यहाँ पर plus का difference था. Now what this V is equals to image distance, and that image distance from the optical center, and this U is the object distance, and that object distance is from the optical center, and this F is equals to the focal length. And here remember one thing, that you have to use the sign convention. Whatever the sign convention we have used in case of the mirrors, the same sign conventions are followed in cases of lenses also. यहाँ पर भी जो distance हम measure करते हैं, that is always measured from the optical center. वहाँ पर pole होता है, यहाँ पर क्या होता है? Optical center. And whatever the distance we are measuring along the direction of the incident light ray, they are considered to be positive. And if we are measuring any distance opposite to the direction of incident light ray, they are considered as negative. And the height which is in the upward direction, that is considered as positive, and the height which is considered below the principal axis, that is always negative. The same sign conventions you have to follow here also. Okay, so in this way we have the lens formula, and we can find the image distance, object distance or focal length from this lens formula. The another topic which is related with the lenses, that is the magnification. अब ये magnification mirrors वाले magnification से different नहीं है, both are the same. In the case of mirrors, what we have studied? We have studied that it is the ratio of the height of the image to the height of the object. मतलब with respect to the object, the height of the image, that is increased or decreased, that is what the magnification is. So यहाँ पर भी formula क्या होगा? This magnification that is represented by M, that is equals to height of image, and that is represented by H2 divided by height of object, that is H1. The formula is same, that is H2 by H1. और जो भी different cases हमने mirror formula के अंदर पढ़े थे, in case of the magnification for mirror, the same all the cases are applicable here also. That is for the height of the image greater than height of the object, that is the height of image less than the height of the object, when both the heights are same, when the image is real and inverted, when the image is virtual and erect, all the cases are exactly same. Okay, now one more formula we have studied in case of magnification, that is M is equals to H2 by H1 is equals to V by U. ऐसा ही कुछ फॉर्मूला हमने देखा था इन केस ऑफ द मैग्निफिकेशन फॉर मिरर्स. मिरर के केस में यहाँ पर नेगेटिव आ जाता था. M is equals to H2 by H1 equals to minus V by U. वो किस में था? इन द केस ऑफ mirrors. But in the case of lenses, M is equals to H2 by H1 equals to V by U. और यहाँ पर भी जब भी हमें मैग्निफिकेशन का साइन देखना है, then we have to consider the sign of ratio of the height and not the ratio of the distance. Okay, so this is all about the magnification. So students, after looking at the lens formula and the magnification, we have another topic that is called as the power of the lens. Now what this power of the lens is? This power of the lens is simply the ability of the lens to converge the light rays falling on it. मतलब किस लिमिट तक या किस हद तक कोई भी एक लेंस जो भी लाइट रे उसके ऊपर गिर रही है वो उसको एक पॉइंट तक कन्वर्ज कर सकता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज दी पावर ऑफ लेंस. ओके, अब यहाँ पर हमको एक साइन कन्वेंशन यूज करना पड़ता है, दैट इज फॉर कॉन्वेक्स. अगर हमारे पास कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है तो उस कॉन्वेक्स के लिए जो पावर है वो हमेशा क्या रहेगा? पॉजिटिव. और अगर यहाँ पर कॉनकेव लेंस है तो उस कॉनकेव के लिए पावर क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव. क्यों? क्योंकि हमने देखा है कि हमारे पास जो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस होता है, दैट कॉन्वेक्स लेंस इज अ कन्वर्जिंग लेंस. मतलब वो बहुत ज्यादा लाइट रेस को एक पॉइंट तक कन्वर्ट कर सकता है, इसलिए हमने इसको कन्वर्जिंग लेंस बोला. और ये क्या है? डाइवर्जिंग. तो अगर ये कन्वर्जिंग है और डेफिनेशन भी क्या है? इन टर्म्स ऑफ कन्वर्जेंस, इसीलिए ये क्या हो गया? पॉजिटिव. एंड कॉनकेव it have the exactly opposite nature as that of convex lens, इसलिए हमने इसको क्या बोल दिया? नेगेटिव. अगर यहीं पर ये डेफिनेशन ऐसी होती that it is the ability of the lens to diverge the light rays falling on it. उस केस में यहाँ पर ये कॉन्केव के लिए क्या हो जाता, पावर पॉजिटिव हो जाता, और यहाँ पर कॉन्वेक्स के लिए क्या हो जाता, नेगेटिव हो जाता. So just because we have taken the convergence, that's why we have taken the power for convex lens to be positive. Okay, ये तो हमने देखा यहाँ पर theoretical. How we can define this power of lens mathematically? So mathematically, this power that is represented by capital P, this P is equals to 1 by focal length. Means it is the reciprocal of the focal length of the lens. So this P is equals to 1 by F, where this F is in meters. That will be the power of the lens. यहीं पर अगर हमको कभी भी जो फोकल लेंथ है अगर वो सेंटीमीटर में गिवन है, in that case we can write the same P is equals to 100 by F, where this F is in centimeter. Okay, and what will be the unit? ये जो पावर है इसकी यूनिट होती है, its unit is diopter. That is represented by capital T. Okay, ये पावर जनरली आप कहाँ पर यूज करते हो? जब अगर आपके आंखों पे स्पेक्स लगे हुए हैं, उसके नंबर्स होते हैं, that is 1.5, minus 1.5, 2.5. Now what that 1.5, 2.5 is? That is the power of the lens. And that is 1.5 diopter, 2.5 diopter. किसी के पास जो स्पेक्स है वो पॉजिटिव होगा, किसी के पास क्या होगा, नेगेटिव होगा. अगर वो स्पेक्स के जो नंबर है पॉजिटिव है, इट मीन्स दैट लेंस इज कॉन्वेक्स. अगर उसी स्पेक्स का नंबर किसी के पास अगर नेगेटिव है, मतलब वो लेंस कौन सा है, दैट इज अ कॉन्केव लेंस. अब वो स्पेक्स में इतना नंबर क्यों आता है, एंड व्हाट इज द डिफेक्ट ऑफ दैट विजन, दैट विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर. सो हियर द पावर इज द ability to converge the light rays falling on it. Its unit is diopter and its formula is P is equals to 1 by F. And the device that measures this power of lens, that is called as diopter meter. This is the device that measures the power of the lens. So now we can also define this power of the lens. मतलब हमने power of the lens को define किया है in terms of the ability to converge and in terms of the focal length, that is P equals to 1 by F. अब हमको अगर यहाँ पे डिफाइन करना है कि 1 diopter कितना होता है, then how we will define this? 1 diopter can be defined in terms of this formula. This 1 diopter is the power of the lens whose focal length is equals to 1 meter. मतलब 1 diopter कितना होगा, that is equals to, अगर हमारे पास कोई एक लेंस है जिसकी फोकल लेंथ कितनी है 1 मीटर, तब उस केस में उस लेंस के लिए जो पावर है वो कितना हो जाएगा, that is equals to 1 meter. So in that way we can define the 1 diopter. Now here we have one more topic that is related with the power of lens, that is the power of combination of lenses. इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर हमारे पास बहुत सारे थिन लेंसेज, जो पतले लेंसेज है, अगर हमारे पास वो बहुत सारे लेंसेज हैं, then how we will calculate the resultant powers? So the resultant power is equals to P is equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3 plus P4 and so on. मतलब अगर हमारे पास बहुत सारे थिन लेंसेज है तो उनका रिजल्टेंट पावर, दैट रिजल्टेंट पावर विल बी इक्वल्स टू द एल्जेब्रिक सम ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल पावर ऑफ द लेंसेज. और ये कब होगा, जब हम इन सभी लेंसेज को पास में रखेंगे, when they are placed in contact with each other. Now why we are calling it to be algebraic sum? Algebraic sum मतलब अगर हमारे पास कोई कॉन्वेक्स लेंस रखा हो तो उसके लिए पावर कितना होगा, पॉजिटिव. एंड इफ वी हैव कॉन्केव देन इट्स पावर विल बी नेगेटिव. मतलब अगर हमारे पास ये एक लेंस है विच इज कॉन्वेक्स, यहीं पर इसके पास में एक लेंस रखा हुआ है दैट इज कॉन्केव, और यहाँ पर वापस से हमारे पास इधर एक लेंस रखा हुआ है दैट इज कॉन्वेक्स, एंड दे ऑल आर इन कॉन्टेक्ट विद ईच अदर. ये लेंस L1 है, ये L2 है, ये L3. इसका जो पावर है दैट इज 3, इट्स पावर इज 5 एंड इट्स पावर इज 2. Okay, now here in this case we have to find the resultant power for the combination. So this power P is equals to P1 plus P2 plus P3. हमारे पास कितना लेंस है, 3 लेंस है. Now this first one is 3, it is convex, तो इसके लिए क्या हो जाएगा, plus 3. Now the second one is again convex, convex के लिए पावर कितना हो जाएगा, plus 5. And for the third one that is concave, and for concave its power will be negative. So कितना हो जाएगा, 5 plus 3 8, 8 minus 2 that is equals to 6 diopter. And that's why we have called it to be algebraic sum. Algebraic sum क्यों, क्योंकि अगर हमारे पास convex है तो उसके लिए पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा और concave है तो उसके लिए नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. In this way we can find the power of combination of lens. And here this was the last topic and we have completed our first chapter, that is light reflection and refraction.